Today we're in Bridgwater to show you this 2 double bedroom mid-terrace property situated just a 5-minute walk to Taunton's railway station with plenty of street parking and a low maintenance rear garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with your own rental property and you'd like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.